we have them, the birthday stars. The girls team av Mighty Baton came with Anomaly Culture, which was founded 25 years ago. You see them dancing a dance which I've just learned. It's called the first one, or La Primera. So we're in the Anomaly Culture, Catalonia, 2011.